Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a folding collapsible bucket. It holds up to 12 liters. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You can see it has these two straps right here. And the awesome thing about this is you can collapse it and then take it with you. It goes down to nothing, as you see when I first opened it, but you can hold up to 12 liters of water. This would actually be great for watering maybe your plants outside. You can carry bucket back and forth. You can also use it like if you're going fishing or something, you can put some fish in there, just fill it up with some lake water. Or if you even want to go exploring with your kids, maybe looking for tadpoles or anything like that, you can use it for that as well. Very nice. You can also use it in the kitchen if you wanted to, like if you needed a big thing of water, you can put ice and water in there, use it to cool down drinks. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually use this, but let me go ahead. I'm going to fill it up with water and show you what it looks like in use. As you can see, there's still a lot of room left. I'm just going to dump the rest into this. So really cool, and when you're done, you can just fold it up. Just like that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.